Today we are going to cut and print. But before we do that, we are going to use printable vinyl. So for printable vinyl, I bought one for dark fabrics because I want to print on a black t-shirt. We have 5 sheets and it's A4 as you can see here, and it's for dark fabric. So firstly, we have to print on the vinyl before we cut it in our Cricut. So I'll take you through the process on how to print then cut. Let's go to my Cricut design space. We have to use our Cricut design space, upload the picture that we would like to print. So here, this is the one that I'm going to use. I have already uploaded it from my desktop. We add to canvas, and this is gonna adjust it. We'll adjust it. This is the length that I would like to print, so let's make it. It is on the mat now, so it will occupy the whole space of the mat. And then next, what we are going to do, we are not going to mirror this because it's printable vinyl. We want to print it before we cut, so I'm just gonna press continue. And then now I'll go to send to printer. I'll send it to my printer. I'm using Canon, and make sure that you're using an inkjet printer to print. So I'll send it to my printer. Once I send to my printer, I'll be able to print it on my printer, and then I'll show you. But before we do that as well, make sure that you are choosing a right printer if you have different kind of printers. But for me, I have one printer, so it just comes automatically here, and then you add the bleed. Let's print. Now that we are done printing, we have to weed it so that we should just take out the picture that we want to print on our t-shirt. I'm really pleased with the colors. So this is how we are going to do it. Just be gentle. Yeah, this is our final look, and this is what is going to be on our t-shirt. So I'll just take it off the paper so that we can put it on our t-shirt and print it. Now I'm taking it off the paper so that I just want to remain with the actual picture that we are going to put on our t-shirt. So you just have to be gentle with it because the paper is soft. Yeah, so this is what we are going to print on our t-shirt. I can't wait. This print and cut. Now we want to print our t-shirt. So make sure your picture it is in the middle. And then after that, we are going to put our paper protector. And mind you, this is a code peel. So for a code peel, we do not print for 10 seconds like we normally do with heat transfer vinyl. Rather, we print for 30 to 45 seconds. So we are going to time our heat press for 30 to 45 seconds. So let's do it. Our 45 seconds is done. So you see, since it's a cold peel, we just have to wait for 2 minutes. Our 2 minutes is done. Let's peel it off and see how beautiful our t-shirt is looking. Wow, I love this. Wow, I can't wait to rock it. I'm happy with the results.